Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre of Majestic Wire Artworks, and I'm doing a video for Beebeecraft of my package opening. I This one took longer to get to me, and I know that COVID has everything to do with it, and all the protocols that they're doing in the mail, it slows everything down. So let's not wait any longer, and let's go ahead with opening this package. So, well, the first thing that's here is some beading stretchy cord. And let's see. It's called Crystal String Strong and Stretchy. It's 100 meters. It's 0.8 millimeters thick. So that's about the size of a 20 gauge wire. So it should fit all the beads that I'm using. And I can't wait to try it. And, well, let's move on. What else do we? Oh, I have some bead caps here. These look rather large. I'm not sure what size bead they'll fit. I got some, hoping they're good for 8 millimeter beads. And in my video, with the tutorial that will be linked on this video once I'm done, I will let you know whether it fits an 8 millimeter bead or not. I'll let you know what bead it does fit in case you want to order it. But this one is called the where are we? Tibetan style bead caps, lead free, nickel free. So yeah. So that's what you look for in the description for the link to order them. And they're really cool. So they kind of look like watermelons with an edge to them. And I've ordered 2 packets of lava stone beads. They call this natural lava stone. So it's some lava stone rocks are really rough, and if you want to make a bracelet or have something close to your skin, you need to check it out to see if they're rough. So I just wanted to look at this for you. And these ones are polished to some degree, and they're not rough at all, so they're perfect. Perfect for the idea that I have with what I want to make with them. So there we go. That's good to know. And then I have some green aventurine beads here, 8 millimeters as well. And it's a lovely green color. It's a little bit deeper than what you normally find at some other stores where I've purchased aventurine. And they have a slight variation, so I'm guessing this is a little bit more natural color. So that's good. And then last, I have a package of other bead caps. These are the filigree style. And I think that they can, it's going to be taped closed. They can be formed a little bit to the beads to be smaller or stretched out a little bit bigger too. So they're, yeah, more versatile. And it's got the silver as well as the copper and the tarnished silver finishes. So yeah, good to go. Okay, well, I hope you look for my tutorial that I'm going to be making with these products. And hopefully that'll be up in a couple of days. Talk to you later. Love you all, and God bless. Bye for now.